food we consume converts into 7 stages. Our health is largely dependent on this digestion. Namaste all, this is Meher Kushal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is all about health according to Ayurveda. Let us know what our ancient scriptures are talking about health. Let's begin. The ancient scripture Sushrut Samhita clearly describes about the regulations of a perfect health condition. Here's the shloka. Samadoshaha samagnischa samadhatu malakriyaha prasanna atmendriya manaha swasta ityabhidiyate. The word sama means equilibrium or a balanced state. There are 3 doshas in our body, namely Vata, Pitta, Kapha. These 3 doshas are made out of the 5 elements and constitute for various activities in our body. Any kind of imbalance in these doshas will create disturbance to our health. Hence, samadoshaha, which means balanced state of doshas is needed. Samagni. According to Ayurveda, there is a fire present within all of us known as Jataragni, also called as digestive fire. It is well known fact that our health is largely dependent on this digestive fire. Either too high or too less Agni will create problems in our health. Hence, Samagni should be maintained, which means equilibrium of digestive fire. Samadhatu. According to Ayurveda, the food we consume converts into 7 stages in our body, namely Sapta Dhatus. Those are Rasa, Rakta, Mamsa, Meda, Asti, Majja and Shukra. The equal state of balance of all these Sapta Dhatus will give a perfect health condition. Malakriya. In this context, Mala means waste. Proper excretion of waste out of body is necessary on daily basis. According to Ayurveda, there are 3 kinds of malas, namely Purisa, Mutra, Shveda. Ayurveda and even modern science says that accumulation of toxins in the body is a major cause of diseases, and hence Malakriya or waste excretion should be done regularly. Prasanna Atmendriya Manaha. It means the mind, the sense organs and the soul should be in a state of happiness. Swasta. The perfect health condition where one is free from all kinds of diseases and established in itself. This is what our ancient science says. To attain equilibrium, the one who achieves a balanced state of dhatus, doshas, agni and malas, and if he is established in himself with a happy mind and senses, then he is said to be as a healthy person. The whole science of traditional system deals with attainment of equanimity. Only then the person achieves a well-balanced constitution, attractive appearance, good muscular strength and a complete peace of mind. Health and vitality can be maintained until death. This is what our Ayurveda says. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.